Welcome to this video that introduces you to B2B advertising and the LinkedIn advertising platform. After watching this video, you will be able to describe what B2B advertising is and why LinkedIn is the preferred platform for B2B advertising. You will also be able to explain how to run a successful advertising campaign on LinkedIn. B2B advertising is the process of promoting products or services to other businesses rather than individual consumers. In today's digital landscape, business-to-business, or B2B, advertising is crucial in helping companies reach decision-makers, generate leads, and drive business growth. Unlike business-to-consumer or B2C marketing, where brands target individual consumers, B2B marketing focuses on engaging professionals and organizations that need specific products or services to improve their operations. One of the most powerful platforms for B2B advertising is LinkedIn, a professional networking site where businesses can target and connect with industry leaders, decision-makers, and potential clients. B2B advertising is typically used by businesses such as software as a service or SaaS companies marketing enterprise solutions, manufacturers selling bulk products to distributors, professional services firms such as consulting agencies, financial advisors, legal firms, and wholesale suppliers that provide raw materials to production companies. Unlike B2C marketing, which often focuses on emotional appeal and impulse purchases, B2B marketing relies on logic and ROI-driven decision-making, wherein business buyers look for measurable benefits and long-term value. Longer sales cycles where purchasing decisions in B2B involve multiple stakeholders and require thorough consideration. And relationship building, where trust and credibility are key, as B2B purchases are often high value and involve long-term commitments. In B2B advertising, LinkedIn stands out as the most effective platform for reaching decision-makers and professionals. Here's why. LinkedIn is home to over 900 million professionals worldwide looking for networking opportunities, knowledge sharing, and business solutions. Unlike other social media platforms, LinkedIn allows advertisers to target users based on various filters such as job title, function, seniority, company size, and industry. LinkedIn's professional environment ensures leads are more qualified than other platforms, meaning businesses see higher conversion rates. Since LinkedIn is a knowledge-sharing platform, businesses can use thought leadership, case studies, and white papers as part of their advertising strategy to engage potential clients, and LinkedIn provides several ad types to engage users at different stages of the decision-making process. Businesses need to consider certain key aspects to run successful B2B advertising campaigns. LinkedIn provides a variety of ad formats tailored for different business objectives, such as sponsored content that boosts posts directly in the LinkedIn feed to improve visibility and engagement, sponsored in-mail or message ads that send direct messages to LinkedIn users' inboxes, ensuring personalized communication, text ads that appear on LinkedIn's sidebar and drive clicks to websites, dynamic ads that automatically personalize ads for users based on their profile information, and lead gen or pre-filled forms that allow users to share their contact information without leaving LinkedIn. Each format serves a different purpose. For example, sponsored content is excellent for brand awareness, while lead gen forms are highly effective for collecting business contacts. LinkedIn offers several advanced targeting options, allowing businesses to segment their audience effectively. Company targeting select businesses based on industry, company size, and location. Job experience targeting selects users based on their job title, seniority level, and function. Demographics narrow down the audience using age, gender, and location filters. Interest-based targeting engages professionals who follow industry-specific pages or have relevant skills. And matching audiences retargets users who have previously interacted with a brand or uploaded customer lists for custom targeting. For instance, a SaaS company offering accounting software creates a LinkedIn campaign targeting finance directors and CFOs to ensure their ads reach decision-makers. Running a successful LinkedIn campaign involves several key steps. Define objectives for brand awareness, website visits, lead generation, or conversions. Select the target audience through LinkedIn's targeting tools to segment the ideal customer profile. Choose an ad format that aligns with the campaign objective. Set a budget and bidding strategy. LinkedIn uses cost per click or CPC, cost per impression or CPM, and cost per send or CPS bidding models. Create engaging ad copy and visuals to ensure that the ad's message is clear, compelling, professional, and launch and monitor performance to track key metrics such as click-through rates or CTR, conversion rates, and cost per lead or CPL to refine the campaign over time. For example, a marketing agency wants to generate leads for its B2B services. It launches a LinkedIn campaign using lead gen forms, targeting marketing managers, and CMOs at mid-sized firms. The pre-filled forms increase conversion rates since users can submit their details with a single click. In this video, you learned that B2B advertising promotes products or services to other businesses rather than individual consumers. Unlike B2C marketing, which focuses on emotional appeal and impulse purchases, B2B marketing relies on logic and ROI-driven decision-making, longer sales cycles, and relationship building. LinkedIn is ideal for B2B advertising due to several reasons: professional audience, precise targeting, higher lead quality, content-friendly advertising, and multiple ad formats. Businesses need to understand LinkedIn's ad formats, targeting options, and strategies to run a B2B advertising campaign successfully. This process has specific key steps. Define objectives. Select the right target audience, choose an ad format, set a budget and bidding strategy, create engaging ad copy and visuals, and launch and monitor performance.